launched at this auto show are basically two new products on our Traveller platform. One is called a Traveller Royale. This is the vehicle on my right hand side. Now this is a brand new product in the sense that this is going to create a completely new segment. This is a 15-seater super luxury product with air suspension, with reclining seats, with individual ducted air conditioning, with stuck glass, factory fitted, and the beauty is all of this is provided from the factory. And what this will do is this gives you NVH, this gives you, in terms of ergonomics, the same space and comfort that large 54-seater or 48-seater buses give you. So you are now able to operate a product like this in between tier 2, tier 3 cities, giving the consumers an opportunity to get that same level of comfort at a much lower, price point. And this is what, a lot of the fleet operators have been asking for. So this will be a big segment creator though for us. Similarly, on my left is a completely new vehicle again with a new driveline. This is now a common rail engine, which is BS4 compliant. This comes with a new gearbox, which is a 280 Newton meter torque gearbox, and with completely new levels in terms of NVH again, with interiors which are now car type interiors, much improved, and with air suspension. Because even mass transport or people who are commuting within the IT sector or people who are commuting within the services sector, their expectations on product features have gone up dramatically. So even small things like, every seat has its own chargers, every seat has its own ducted air conditioning. A lot of these convenience features have now been added.
And how do you back this new facilities with the sales and service? Like, how do you try to link the service aspect of it?
See, the fact that we are India's largest van maker as a company. That's our flagship product. We have now close to about 200 plus touch points where consumers are able to, or our customers are able to get service. So in terms of the network, we have a very good spread evenly across the geography in India, and we are further enhancing this.
And how has been the last year, the last fiscal, in terms of the performance and the vehicles that you've sold?
The last fiscal was quite positive for us. On the contrary, if I look at the first 9 months of the current fiscal, it has been a very good year for us. Our net sales are up by 33%. Our profitability in terms of profit before tax is up by 125%. And in terms of numbers, we are up by close to about 12%. So it's been a good year so far.
And since I understand that both the products are completely indigenized, completely made at the force motor, and the engine is at the tech center, how ready are you with the BS6 emission norms coming into place in 2020?
We are not ready as in today. If somebody asks us to give you a BS6 tomorrow, we don't have it, but we've already started working on it, and we are confident that we will be ready to offer the BS6 program across our multiple applications by 2020.
You are clearly an undisputed player in the traveller and the van segment. So, and you're continuously coming up with new variants and new products. What more are you eyeing to expand into different segments, or what can we expect from Force Motors?
So to give you two examples in terms of how we are trying to enlarge the market, if I look at two products that we have on display here, one is a 4-stretcher multi-speciality ambulance. So this is the first time in India where somebody is offering you a factory-fitted, fully built, multi-stretcher, 4-stretcher ambulance. Because typically when you have an accident, you normally have more than one casualty. So this vehicle gives you the opportunity to attend to 4 patients along with 2 paramedics at the same time. Similarly, so this will be a new segment and we will be able to create it. And this is the need of the hour. I mean, infrastructure is growing at a good rate in India, and this needs to be supported. Similarly, we have a vehicle on the extreme right-hand side of where I'm standing. This is the first responder vehicle. This is again a very unique vehicle which will be used in terms of any earthquake or any fire or any accident. So this is a multi-purpose rescue vehicle. So be it fire, it can firefight. Be it an accident, it has multiple pneumatic cutters, hydraulic cutters, where you can get inside a vehicle, remove a passenger who's injured. So these kind of vehicles will be segment creators and will help us grow our market.
And now, as an extension of the other question, there's a lot of talk on sustainable mobility, alternative mobility. What more can we expect from you in terms of driveline changes?
So while we will definitely move on to BS6, which is a legislative requirement, we are parallelly also working on a hybrid platform on our Traveller. So it's under development. We should be able to show something concrete by the next auto show.